Welcome to Welding Safety Coating. Welding video series today we will introduce you to welding safety coating. Welding is a fabrication or sculptural process that joins materials, usually metal or thermoplastic, by using high heat to melt the parts together and allowing them to cool, causing fusion. Welding can be dangerous and unhealthy if the proper precautions are not taken. However, using new technology and proper protection greatly reduce risk of injury and death associated with welding. Today we will explain how to work safety with just wearing personal protective equipment.
Pete, do you know me?
No, we haven't met.
Oh, okay. Pete, this evening. He is a safety manager.
Nice to meet you, Min.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
May I have go back to work?
Yeah. Hey, Pete. Why are you working without wearing personal protective equipment?
Do you know it's really dangerous?
But I'm wearing welding jacket and jeans. As you see, it protect my arm and button up tight at the neck and cover my torso. And I'm wearing steel to work shoes. Moreover, I like to wear a turtleneck to protect my skin both from the ray of the arc welding and also from flying sparks.
It's not enough. You should wear helmet with hand shield. Safety glasses are essential for protecting eye and skin from exposure to a ray.
Welding helmet with side shield are intake that to help protect user from arc rays and from weld spark and sparker that strike directly against the helmet. They are not protect against selective lightning, fragment, wire and similar hazard that can ricochet under the helmet. So spec taken goggle or other appropriate eye protection must also be worn to protect against this impact hazard.
You should wear welding hat because the welding hat go on. Backward come down and protect the ear and your hair. And this funny flap in the back. Keep thought spark from fighting their wear down the back of your collar.
By far and away, the most important piece of safety equipment are your go-in import tape. To note that all of this safety equipment and goes especially are heat resistant. They are not flame-proof.
Glove should fit where you should check them to make sure that they are no hole or crack. And glove need you be based on a fairly regular basis because the heat and oil from the steel cause the finger to become stiff and make it very difficult to overreach the machinery.
Oh, okay. I understand about working safety by wearing more personal protective equipment, and I will use it. Thank you very much.
Very good. I expect to see you work on a safety basic.
Invite to you to continue working if you need at this channel personal protective equipment can be restored at the safety department.
Thank you.
From the above situation, all of you probably already know why do we need to wear personal protective equipment? Because wearing personal protective equipment will help reduce the risk of injury and death from welding work. Therefore, in the operation, it is necessary to wear personal protective equipment as follows: safety glasses, welding jacket, welding helmet, welding glove, hand leather boot. Always wear your personal protective equipment for your safety.
It's the one and only Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.